with you for this particular day.
Was it in the contract that he was supposed to show up on that particular day?
Of course. He knows what he's saying. That's why we're in court to assert our rights.
Hold on. Let's check that clip again. Producer, just prompted me. Let's get this back on the screens again and just refresh our memories what we're talking about.
The first Afro Nation show that they did in Ghana, the first time, they paid me $100,000 cash. Sadiq, West Wonderland.
3 music.
Yes, I got paid $120,000. You understand me? If the artists want to know, I want to tell them. You know what I'm saying? Cardi B, when she came,
but you don't go play.
I don't go play. Cardi B, the same thing. I don't go play because I gave them a contract. You see me? I be too learned that when me and you do business, Cardi B, that show that he came to do in Ghana, another $100,000. You took the money. I took the money and I didn't go because the contract me and them signed, they violated. So that is how the thing came, because it was a nice agreement.
Wow.
You understand me? So if I told somebody, say, I've been able to make $300,000 in shows in Ghana, somebody could sit there and talk, say, they brag. But it's like, it be your mindset, how you see things, how you grow. You understand me? Because people shouldn't just see the branch at Wale like.
Yeah, so we can actually tell.
I like Dennis's reaction. He said, "Hey," it's like he wants to say something.
So I'm right?
Yeah,
I'm right.
Also
so when he was talking about the breach from the
Cardi B,
the event, he was not talking to about. He was talking about, and I'm not actually holding brief for him because I listened to it. People say, he spoke about it. I'm like, listen, let me listen to it because I know
Sadiq, let me ask. I know
before Sadiq comes in, Dennis has a reaction to this video.
He wants, all right, sure.
Yes, I'm sure for he's the way he sighed.
Hey,
yeah.
It comes down to what we were talking about, discipline. That's what it is. If Shatta or some of the artists really want to put it onto themselves, they'll make sure they perform at certain stages. He's okay now in life, so he could choose what to do or what he doesn't want to do. That's what it comes down to, discipline.
Yeah, discipline.
No, do you call this an act of indiscipline? Is that what you're trying to say?
I mean, when it comes to Shatta, it's a special case. Honestly, when it comes to Shatta, and I love him. Yeah, I love him so much. You know, if tomorrow Shatta says, "Dennis, do a show for me," I'll do it because I know what
so
he could do.
Shatta has got. So you see,
but I think is it not that we are, in quotes, over pampering him, and that's why he keeps repeating it. Nobody is being able, or not a lot of you, like you're saying, tomorrow, after all what he's done, if tomorrow he comes to you, do this, then he's saying, you know that thing, he gets back into, I'll cover up everything. Don't you think it's because we've been too lenient?
So, G, you are also, and that explained why we had to go to resort to court, for instance. Right, and then also wrong. Sometimes when you understand the kind of person the person is, you understand how to go about it. But I understand where G is coming from, because this could also create, because I know talent that would actually stand in and say, but wait a minute, you know, if Stonebwoy calls me today, or Sarkodie calls me today to say, wait a minute, if you could go to this mouth for this person, and you don't do that for me, what do you take me for? I can understand them. And so one person, and I always say to Shatta Wale, I tell him that, look, sometimes in your bid to be yourself or be there, I don't have anything wrong with, I know him. And so knowing him and knowing the way it is, I've come to understand the kind of person he is. But sometimes I tell him that he should measure up on some of this thing, because one single act could have a way of impacting an industry without you realizing.
Domino effect.
It has a domino effect, because then because of you, artist A, B, C, D wants to also go onto that side. Artist B, so it kind of disrupts and impacts the market, because then the next minute is that you feel, and that's why we opted to go to the court. And we know the court, it takes a longer time. But at the end of the day, for him, at least, I told him that going to court is also for you. It is for you, because at the end of the day, when we are done, when you see it through,
Shatta,
you would actually
advise.
Okay, no, I'm not holding PR for Shatta. But
No. Dennis didn't
he always says that before he holds PR.
Sadiq took words from Dennis's mouth. But Dennis wants to
talk about
Shatta.
Okay. In 2019 or 2020, we had Shatta Wale to perform a Ghana part in the park. That wasn't advertised. Nothing. Nobody knew. It was just between ourselves and Shatta Wale. He couldn't make it, for whatever the reason would be. It didn't cause any problem. The same arrangement that we had for this year, it didn't make any. It didn't. The difference was this time he's been advertised, which comes back to what you've said you're going to go out there to do,
and then it doesn't happen.
Okay, so let me just add to that. Let me just add to that before you go to the question.
Add it to the question.
There's one part.
I have 15 minutes.
Yeah, I'm coming. There's one part to
Sadiq, when you're done, I want to open up
I want
on
to go
what
back
you said.
to 3 Music, the second one also, the one Shatta Wale performed.
The first edition.
The first
second
edition.
one.
The second one.
That was the second one.
Second, yeah. that was more favor. Was it favor or was it paid for?
Was that engagement?
No, it was an engagement because at the time he was with Xylophone. And so the whole engagement was done with Xylophone in mind.
Okay. So,
and then also the other element of it was
I've given an intel that as well, that he was supposed to have done an event with Shatta Wale and another industry pundit, but because of certain reasons, you didn't engage Shatta Wale again.
Because Shatta Wale brown say it like that.
No.
Maybe the business wasn't good.
No, the specific on it, I'm not sure.
Well, I don't have much details into it, and I can't share too many of the names.
Look, so if you are specific, then I can say.
Off a tangent on that, right?
Oh, no. I think, I see, I get it.
Then it
was an
to,
event. Okay, let's be specific. These things, you don't even need to say it out of
the intent is coming.
I think it was an event. It was an event that was going to be done by Logic.
Okay.
And Logic wanted to take me up to produce the event. And I declined. I said, no, I was not going to produce the event.
Because of Shatta?
No, because we had our differences at the time. And I said that because of the differences, personally, I didn't need to be on that.
Differences with who?
But with Shatta. But the thing about me and Shatta, and I keep on saying to a lot of people, is that, and Dennis as well, it's crazy. The same guy that we would have issues with, if you like, take your own destiny, is the same guy that the next minute, where you feel that
the photo that has gone. And when I saw the photo as well, I was very impressed.
Wale will make overtures. How many of you?
But
the whole of last week, for
I'm
instance,
coming to a question.
Wale will make overtures regardless of whether he has issues with you. And when he makes overtures, if you like, in private, tell him your mind how you feel about him. He will agree. His only problem is that you see the same thing. At the time, talk like him. You see the same thing. He tell me right now. This same thing he tell me right now. I like him. The only thing he doesn't like is when you say it publicly.
But he does publicly, and that's what.
So
that's the part
he has to be the hero publicly.
I don't.
Publicly, he has to be the eldest.
My view to him, and I'm like, that you got to talk to
So I did come to this last issue on Wonderland performance.
But Dennis, were you done?
I beg you. I'll come to this. So.
But we have.
Did the artist,
looks like we're focusing on Shatta Wale.
And not
I have a question. I have a question.
Because hold on, it's coming to artist booking. That's why I'm bringing the thing to.
Yeah.
So there was I've been told there's a request from Shatta to perform on the second day, or some with regards to Wonderland, and that didn't happen. Was that the narrative, or was that the story? Because there should be a reason why he would take money and not just. I mean, it just doesn't happen.
And I want to add on to your question.
But let me just respond to it. Also because
any representative of Shatta Wale.
Also because the matter is in court.
But the matter is in court, so I think he ends it.
Also because the matter is in court. Sometimes that's why
you don't want to speak about it.
I don't want to speak about it because it looks like we are preempted.
I think let's move away from Shatta.
Yes, but exactly what happened is. Look, when I breach a contract with an artist, the artist will be quick to refer to the contract.
Yeah.
We have breaches every time on both parts. When I have my breach, I go and sit with the person and to have a conversation. When I have a breach with Stonebwoy, we've had a breach before with Sarkodie.
Medical
and about
people.
Yes. Yeah. We go to have in Medical's case, we manage the conversation till we fully paid him. Even where he was angry and went to public and everything, eventually we still sorted him out.
Yeah.
That's in the first of 3 music. When there's a breach from my part, in our part, we admit that, there's a breach. Immediately you go in, Charlie, how can we make amends on this and have the conversation?
It's the power of negotiation.
It's the power of negotiation.
When you're having these things, I'm going to carry in there. If you look at, I'm going to use Part in the Park, why I said I haven't finished. I look at the likes of Stonebwoy, who's performed. Look at the likes of Sarkodie, who's performed about 3 or 4 times. Mr. Easy used that platform to get to where he is right now. It's the power of negotiation. They come, it's not about money. It's not about money. In fact, all these 3 people I've mentioned, Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, Mr. Easy, they've actually contributed financially
Whoa.
to Ghana Part in the Park.
When you say financially, what does it mean?
They've covered their costs to make sure they are there.
Pay their own flights.
Yes. Stonebwoy has done that for us.
For Sarkodie
I appreciate that.
and Stonebwoy.
Wow.
Sarkodie has done that. Sarkodie, I mean, I can't pay Sarkodie, to be honest with you. I've never been able to pay him. He's one artist I've hosted more than anybody else. If Sarkodie really wants to charge me, I won't be able to. But he invests heavily into what I'm doing. Because I remember meeting Sarkodie for the very first time. I said, Sarkodie, look, you're going to be a big star. I'm going to take you international. And he told me,
He cherishes.
If Sarkodie wants to charge me right now, I might not be able to pay. I know, because I take some of his bookings for him. Mr. Easy hired a private jet from where he was, I think he was in some European country, came to a private airport in the UK, hired a helicopter, and came to land at Ghana Part in the Park to perform for us. That's an investment.
No, there was a year, 2 years ago. There was actually a year. There was a year where Sarkodie
and that's all money from his pocket.
Sarkodie was somewhere. Stoneboy.
There was a year Sarkodie was actually a creative. And you see, these are some of the things.
Yes.
The reason why we went to court again. The reason why we went to court is to be able to protect some of these things.
Yeah.
We've seen instances where maybe Stoneboy, Sarkodie, a couple of other artists will actively make an investment to enable the industry, right? And so, where in certain instances, for some reason, one person who gets so much more actively disables industry, it creates a bad impression in their minds for all of them, because we go the extra mile
for you,
for industry,
and you're tolerating this guy who's doing this.
Like you're tolerating this, because I've had that complaint. I'm telling you, you get that complaint.
I have a question for both of you.
But let me just clarify. Let me just clarify the question that you just asked. So that let me just clarify the question that you just asked. Like I said, there's a contract that has been signed. If you are a person that you are involved in it, you see the contract, your dates are cleared. You see the date. The date says specifically.
Contract is the date and the money. It's never wrong.
And the money, and then everything is there. You've seen it. You signed it personally, not on your behalf. Signed it personally. You looked at it and everything. And the particular day you're actually supposed to show up, you don't show up. Nothing. So it means